We've just acquired this absolutely beautiful Mercedes C220 CDI AMG style sport estate. It's absolutely lovely condition in grey. Wheels are absolutely unmarked, diamond cut style. It's in lovely condition. Got electric tailgate. It's got the proper AMG carpet mats with the red piping. Tannoy cover. These really are a nice estate. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. Just sit inside the car. Got full audio, USB, Bluetooth audio, telephone for Bluetooth. Climate control absolutely does work, it's nice and cold. Paddle shift on the gearbox. It's done 100,470 miles. It's got auto headlights, cruise control. Lovely Sport Plus interior, which is in lovely condition. We've just serviced it, just put an MOT on it. It's in lovely condition throughout. If you need any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.